Save your money at the dealership. Do not pay for simple things like a cabin air filter. I'm going to show you how to do this on a 2020 Hyundai Tucson. For most cars, it's pretty much the same thing. All right, so on the passenger side, go to your glove compartment and pop it open. All right, if you take a look at this, you will notice that there are little nubs here. You want to remove those. So I'm going to do this without even looking because I've done this so many times and saved so much money that I don't really need to look at it as I'm doing this process. Now in some cars there may be a little arm here that kind of gets in the way. Pop it open, it falls back down. You look inside, you'll see that there is a compartment and there's a little bit of like a plate here. All you have to do is find where it pops open. Every car will be different. I just did one where it was on the opposite side. Open this up kind of like a door hinge and remove the filter. Look at all that garbage. That is pretty bad. So we want to actually remove this filter. All right, so I'm just going to take it. I'm going to figure out where the airflow goes. It goes downward on this car, and we're just going to insert it. All right, fits pretty well in. All right, find how this went into here. I think it went this way, and if not, I'm just going to fiddle around until I can figure it out. All right, get the plate on, close it, snapped into place. Looks good to me. Lift it, pop that little arm in, and then find those two little plastic nubs and insert them in. Sometimes they may be opposite, like this might be the left one, but I believe they're pretty universal on how they fit. All right, and I'm doing this with one hand. Close it, and we are all set. Save money.